Welcome to the course on Python for data analytics, machine learning, and generative AI.
Generative AI can create and edit images using simple prompts. Unlike traditional programming, we do not manually design visuals. Instead, we describe what we want and the agent generates it. This represents a shift from coding logic to prompting intelligence. We begin by installing the required library using pip. The Google Gen AI package provides access to Gemini models. Next, we securely input the API key using the getPass module. This ensures that sensitive credentials are not exposed in the code. The client object is created using the API key. This client acts as the interface between our Python program and the AI model. Once initiated, it allows us to send prompts and receive generated outputs. This step is essential for all subsequent operations. A helper function is defined to display images side by side. It shows the original image alongside the AI generated output. This comparison helps us evaluate how effectively the AI modifies images. Visualization is crucial for understanding model behavior. In this example, we modify an existing image. The prompt specifies changes in cloth, background, and accessories. The image is passed along with the prompt to the AI model. The model interprets both and generates a transformed image. Here, the model processes both text and image together. This is known as multimodal AI. It allows more context-aware and realistic transformation. Such capabilities are widely used in design and media industries. In the next example, we change specific attributes. Only the coat color and hat style are modified. The rest of the image remains unchanged. This demonstrates controlled and localized editing. Now we generate an image from a detailed text description. The prompt describes lighting, mood, subject, and camera settings. The AI interprets these artistic cues to produce a realistic image. This is commonly used in digital art and content creation. In this case, we generate a grid of cartoon stickers. The prompt defines style, character features, and layout. The AI produces a visually consistent set of images. Such outputs are useful in branding and UI design. Here we convert a simple product image into a studio quality photo. The prompt emphasizes lighting, focus, and background clarity. The output resembles professional e-commerce photography. This has strong application in online retail. Next, we generate a logo using a descriptive prompt. The AI designs both typography and visual elements. It follows constraints such as color scheme and style. This reduces dependency on manual graphic design tools. In this example, multiple images are combined. The AI places a logo onto a t-shirt naturally. It adjusts for fabric folds and perspectives. This demonstrates realistic composting capabilities. Here we stimulate a fashion application. The AI transforms a dress from one image onto a model. It adjusts lighting and proportions for realism. This technique is increasingly used in virtual retail experiences. Despite these capabilities, not all models support image generation. Some models may return only text instead of images. Access may also depend on API quota and permissions. Understanding these limitations is essential for effective usage. We in this whole experiment, We explored multiple image generation scenarios from editing and enhancement to full image creation and composition. Generative AI is transforming how visual content is produced. Mastering prompting techniques will be key to leveraging this technology.
Thank you.